Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question whether deleting a photo from the gallery will also delete the photo from Google Photos. And firstly let's make the new two photos. Let's say this one and this one. Okay, so now in the gallery we have two more photos, this one and this one. And now let's move to Google Photos and check if we have these photos here. Right here we have it. So firstly, just give a second to the backup. Firstly, I will delete it when the backup on Google Photos will turn on, and then I will turn off it. So right now, as you can see, we have backup complete and we have these photos. So let's remove the first one. So go to the gallery and I will remove this photo. Delete. Now let's return to the Google Photos and check, and as you can see, we still have this photo here. Maybe we need to reopen the application and check it. Yes, we still have it. Now let's turn on the backup, so click at the profile icon at the right top, then backup, and turn off it. And let's delete the second photo. Delete and delete. And let's return to the app. But as you can see, we still have these photos here, and if you want to, you can save it. And we have it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.